Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add upcoming event in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Hello Elementor theme and we are using event calendar plugin. So we are going to add upcoming event widget. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write element pack light add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin element pack Elementor add-ons we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see element pack and then you see third party widget. So click on it. Now find here event calendar widget. Now you see event calendar grid widget. So we are going to display upcoming event in grid layout. So enable this option and then click on save setting. Now setting saved, go to Elementor page. Now you see upcoming event, refresh the page. Now on left side you see search widget. So right here event and then you see event calendar grid, drag and drop here like this. Now you see widget edit. On left side you see content style advanced and then in content you see layout skin. So you can select according to your requirement and then you see column. So we are going to show 4 upcoming event. Now select 4 and then you see column gap medium. Now you see multiple option, show image enable, title enable, date enable, disable this option, show cost disable. Now you see show website location, anchor link enable, item match height enable. Then you see image, so click on it. Now you see image resolution, you see multiple option and then you see query, so click on it. Now you see source, so we are going to show upcoming event. Now drop down select, you see upcoming event, so click on it. Now you see start date, end date and then you see limit, now 4 and then you see order by event date, order by descending. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. Now you see item, in item you see content padding, normal hover color scheme, image padding margin, opacity hover opacity and then you see title, color scheme, hover color, typography. So you can do color scheme or customization according to your requirement and then click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see upcoming event in 4 column layout, title, date, location, website. So in this way you can add upcoming event widget in grid layout in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.